We know mobile ticketing can be a bit confusing sometimes, so let's go ahead and walk step by step through the transfer process so you can claim and use your mobile tickets. To get started, let's go ahead and open up the email you registered your TickPick account under. Once your tickets are ready, we'll be sending you a delivery email that looks exactly like the screen that you're looking at right now. Now, once you've found the email from TickPick notifying you the transfer has been initiated, we head right into the next step of the process, finding the transfer offer email. Keep in mind you're looking for an email from the team or the venue stating that you have a ticket transfer offer from your seller. It'll look a little something like this, and at the bottom of that email you'll find the most important part of this process, as that is how you'll actually get your hands on the tickets. As you can see, there will be an option in the middle of the screen that says Accept Tickets. Go ahead and click that and you'll be prompted to either log in or create an account. For sports, it might be the team or venue's account manager, or for concerts, just plain Ticketmaster, but if you don't have an account, it's pretty simple to just create one. Using the same email your TickPick account is registered with, all you'll need is your first, last name, and password. All you have to do at this point is pull the tickets up on your phone so they can scan them for you at the venue. The page will look a little something like this, and they'll scan that QR code you see in the middle of the screen. Saving you money on fees is great, but saving you time is even better. Best way to do that is go ahead and bookmark that page on your phone's mobile browser. Just as with the other transfer method, the first thing you want to do is open up the email you registered your TickPick account under. Once your tickets are ready for transfer, we'll notify you via email, which will look exactly like what you're seeing right now. Now, at the bottom of your delivery email, you'll find any details or notes for your ticket order, but the most important thing is that link that you see, because that's how you're actually going to claim your tickets. To make it a bit easier, we've gone ahead and highlighted that for you on the screen so you know exactly what you need to click on. You're almost done, but first you'll need to log in with your team or Ticketmaster account. If you don't already have one, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead and quickly create your account by clicking here on the page. You'll need to put in your name, TickPick email, and password, but that's about it. The only thing left to go over now is how to scan your tickets when you arrive at the venue. Once you've logged into your account on your phone's mobile browser, you'll see a page that looks a little something like this. The best way to make things easier on yourself the day of the event is to bookmark this web page, so the only thing that you have to worry about when you arrive at the venue is what you're going to buy with all that money you saved avoiding fees.